Today, I'm going to teach you how to change timeline settings in Fusion DaVinci Resolve. This is particularly useful when you need to adjust how timecode displays in your compositions, ensuring your workflow matches industry standards or your personal preferences. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and wait for it to fully load. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on Fusion to switch to the Fusion workspace. This is where you'll access the specific settings we need to modify for your timeline configuration. Now direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see another Fusion option there, so go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select Fusion Settings. This opens up the configuration panel where you can customize how Fusion operates within your project. On the left side of the settings window, you'll notice a list of categories. Click on Defaults. This section contains all the foundational settings that will apply to your Fusion compositions going forward. It's essentially where you establish the baseline behavior for new projects. Within the default section, look for an option labeled Timecode. This is the key setting we're adjusting today. You'll see a checkbox next to Timecode, so go ahead and check that box to enable it. This allows you to control how time is displayed and managed in your timeline. After checking the timecode box, make sure that SMPTE is also checked. SMPTE is the standard timecode format used in professional video production, so having this enabled ensures compatibility and precision in your workflow. Once you've confirmed both checkboxes are selected, click Save to apply these changes. Give it a moment to process and store your new settings. Now that your settings are configured, click on Edit at the bottom of your screen to switch to the Edit workspace. This is where you'll create a new composition to see your changes in action. Look to the top left of your interface and click on Media Pool. This opens your media management area where all your clips and compositions are stored. Right-click anywhere in the Media Pool area to bring up a context menu. From this menu, select New Fusion Composition, and then click Create. This generates a new composition with your updated timeline settings already applied. Once your new Fusion composition appears in the media pool, drag it down to your timeline. After it's placed on the timeline, right-click on it and select Open in Fusion Page. This takes you back to the Fusion workspace, but this time with your specific composition loaded. Now you can see that your timeline has changed according to the settings you configured earlier. The timecode display will reflect the SMPTE format you enabled, giving you a professional standard timeline setup. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.